forget to hit that like button and please follow George all about the Philippines. Thank you.
Okay, Barretto. Not quite open yet. And I did go by, I was at Dynamite Digs, and then I went to MacArthur's. MacArthur's is back open again. They said they're only open, I don't know, they close a week or two or whatever, and they come back, but they're back open again. Kind of hard to say when they're going to close, but they say they're doing okay, so hopefully they're doing all right. And then update, I'll give you another update soon. I'll get back to you. A little update on Mugshots. Mugshots is going through a revamping. So, gonna open up with a pool table and hopefully some darts, but definitely a pool table. And their food was good before they closed, so the food is good. And I think you'll see a dramatic difference when they reopen. Hopefully so. So I highly recommend Mugshots Bar and Grill. Not sure how long they're going to be closed, maybe a couple weeks, but they have to redesign the inside and the outside. As you can see, they had seats all outside. They're all gone, so I'm not sure what they're doing with that. But definitely going to open with a pool table. And we'll go from there. But I'll give you an update on Mugshots. But that's kind of the latest from my standpoint. And hopefully this is still correct, the daily specials. If not, I'll give you the update next time I'm here. And now they're open. Closed Wednesdays. I think that's still true, but like I said, they are closed for remodel right now, and we'll go from there. But this is George outside of Mugshots Bar and Grill. And this is a rainy Thursday in Barretto. It was raining hard a few minutes ago. Now it's not so bad. I know I was down in Cebu recently. We didn't get any rain. Had 2 days of rain in 10. Okay. And you can still function with the rain. Over here it's been raining cats and dogs for a while. And like I said, it's been raining hard here. And again, it rained again today. Rainy season, I believe, is in full effect. So, just give you a little Thursday action here in Barrio Barretto. This is George. Coming up on Ambon, which I usually show you. Ambon Hotel. And then also over here, it doesn't matter. Off to the right, kind of where my camera is pointing. I'll show that to you. It doesn't matter. And they're open today, early. Massage 21 over here, $2.99, Swedish massage. So check out if you want a massage, 21 massage, $2.99. And chill bar right here, chill bar. And then up here is a spot I show you always, the Annex Bar. So check out the Annex Bar. And they're open today. Across the street, Bottoms Up and Voodoo, Myling's Cafe, and the Hot Zone. Kind of what's going on over there. So this is just a Thursday afternoon in Olongapo. This is George. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out my videos. Make sure you check out my travel videos. Just came back from Cebu for 10 days. Getting ready to go to Thailand next week. I'll bring you some stuff from there. And I'll be down south in Siargao here in the Philippines. But this is George. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Okay, Showgirls is open about 10 till 6. Bottoms Up, Voodoo, Favorites is open down there by the Annex. Annex is open. And then the Hot Zone. All these places are open tonight. And it's a Thursday night. But yeah, the Favorites is open. Annex is open. Showgirls is open. And it's a little early. Like I said, I don't do the late night. I could bring you better late night, but you know, Bottoms Up, Voodoo, Hot Zone, all this stuff is open. But it's just a Thursday night in Barretto. Same old kind of. But if you want the bars early, then they're open for you. Later, I'll say, just like on Lungapo, 8, 9 p.m. be better. But it's up to you what you choose or want. But that's kind of the way it is here in Barrio Barretto on Thursday night. This is George. Please subscribe if you haven't. Okay, Barretto on Thursday night. Look at Central Park Reef straight ahead. Looking over by Sitting Bull, Wet Spot, the Green Room, and on back down Barrio Barretto. I'm going to head over to Olongapo shortly, but I just got back last night from Cebu. I can tell you a lot of stuff about that. Really would recommend Bobo, and then Oslob for the whale watching, swimming with the whales, or I should say whale sharks, because they're actually sharks. But yeah, it's a good time. And going to Thailand on Monday. Be going down to Siargao shortly. But today I'm in Barrio Barretto on Thursday night. Make sure you check out the videos. Follow me to Thailand. Follow me back here to the Philippines. I'll give you what I can. And we'll go from there. But this is George. Places here right now, I guess, almost mid-June. I would recommend that you might like is Showgirls. And then any of the standard ones over there, like Bottoms Up, Green Room, Wet Spot, all those are open. But I think you'll like Showgirls. And then it's right next to Massage 21. So check that out. Looking back down toward Ambon Hotel. Looking back toward the Nito Hotel right now. The old Sitting Bull, the new Sitting Bull is just right there. So check out Sitting Bull, you hungry. I ate today actually wings and fries at Dynamite Dips.
Oh, sorry.
And that's kind of where I'm at right now. Okay, I'm on Masaysay Drive in Lungapo. Just came from Barretto. Dan's Ham, FH Bar. Brews Buddy looks to be all open. The Subic Residences I've brought to you before about hotels available is all there. So just wanted to show you a little bit of Masaysay on a Thursday night. This is George. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bring you more if I can.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the Hall of Shame.
Please like and subscribe about George All About the Philippines. Thank you.
Don't forget to hit that like button and please subscribe to George All About the Philippines. Thank you.